You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round one, go! 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
How many of those mystic portals of yours can you open at once, Doctor?
I'm not sure I feel comfortable divulging that information without first understanding why, Director.
Tiger Division could use a way to mobilize our agents on a global scale at a moment's notice.
I have no
battle
interest
starts in
using
5,
magic to
4,
facilitate your
3,
shadow.
2, 1!
Perhaps you should take it.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Magic is not to be owned, but to be felt. Experienced. Gamaya! I am strengthened for battle. Ionic magic!
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. That was a move.
Come on. You know the mission. Claim this area.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
I am strengthened for battle.
Everybody needs a hand.
Command rarely survives a timely intervention.
Attack them! Go! Perfect shot, Scott!
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Need assistance!
Almost there.
Yo soy el final! Leave them to Khonshu! Khonshu demands vengeance. Good medicine. Clean up your jump, Caballero Luna! Spider Zero must reach the Budokan. This is our duty. Our enemies are near.
The vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Ionic magic!
Toya Shigan!
The moon haunts you! Spider Zero must reach the Budokan. This is our duty. No skill shot! An unseen assist! I am strengthened for battle. A thousand gods! One couldn't win without the other. I've got you.
Destroy the art that finishes people.
Leave them to crush you! Hell beyond sight! And don't forget the back alleys.
I sense them.
I know that onk anywhere. Sorry, no onks for you.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
Getting richer. Some things never change.
Almost there.
Good medicine.
So close! This is your big chance!
¡Boom! ¡No skill shot! ¡Yo soy el final! Ionic magic!
Perfect shot, Scott! Please!
Don't drown in the darkness. A timely intervention.
Get that vehicle moving again!
By the shades of the Seraphim, I return.
Just aren't cut out for the big ones.
Face oblivion! Spider Zero must reach the Budokan. This is our duty.
Only 60 seconds left!
By the eye of Agamotto! Leave them to Khonshu!
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Sweet cape, Doc. But I ain't got nothing on mine.
In your cloak, I sense it. The Lord of the Outer Void. The Serpent of the End.
You got a lot of fancy names for the bum that shows up to chat every now and then.
The nothing which watched the birth of everything.
The battle starts in 5,
Mr. Robbins?
4,
I pray.
3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Such newfound power. Got my eye. An unseen assist.
Double KO!
The Sorcerer Supreme returns.
Propulsion beam!
Get ready. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Such newfound power.
I'm hit! Cover me!
Ionic magic. An unseen assist. Power beyond sight. Armed and dangerous! Yo soy el final!
Double KO!
The Sorcerer Supreme
They've
returns.
made it halfway! Stop them! Better stop that vehicle!
I am strengthened for battle. By the eye of Agamotto! By the eye of Agamotto!
There's still a chance to stop them!
Supreme returns. Face oblivion!
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
I am strengthened for battle. An unseen assist.
This is real firepower!
Damage sustained! Need assistance!
Hands are shaking again. Focus.
Got my eye on some unwelcome guests.
Better stop that vehicle!
Emma Frost needs no introduction.
I am strengthened for battle. Armed and dead again! Armed and dead! Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
I know you felt that deeply.
It's now or never! Stop them!
Yo soy el final! Sorcerer
Don't give them
Supreme
another
lives
inch,
once more.
or else. The current score is 3-2-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 3,
Magic is not
go!
the only invisible force in play here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Emma,
Scott.
it's nice to, I'm glad that you're... I was just about to... Well, you know, Gina's, I have to go.
Somehow that was even more awkward than I expected.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Being a mutant means...
I like the cold. Damage sustained. Need assistance from help.
Power beyond sight! I'm opening a portal.
The final 10 seconds.
I'm opening a portal.
The current score is 3, 2, 3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 4.
It's not the only invisible force in play here.
From the void!
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I've spotted 3 hostiles running recon. Move fast, Castle.
You're not gonna whine about my methods.
I account for your inability to follow orders. A calculated risk.
They consider this another failed performance review, Director.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
I'm opening a portal.
Either you're on my side, or you're next in line to fall.
Another strange works his portal magic. I am strengthened for battle. An unseen assist!
Some crooks just aren't cut out for the big leagues, Hood.
unseen assist! Our enemies are near.
Need assistance!
Only 60 seconds left.
An unseen assist! Good medicine. Power beyond sight! This is real firepower!
30 seconds. Double KO.
Hold firm. Time is on our side. I'm opening a portal.
Final score 3, 2, 4. Well, you can't expect to win them all. Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
Open your eye. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Oh, the pop star. Shouldn't you be performing in a mall somewhere?
Are malls even a thing anymore in your timeline?
I wish. More than you know.
Either way, I wouldn't have the time. I'm way too busy singing at sold-out stadiums. But thanks.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I've got the kind of hunger that a trip to the food court isn't gonna cure. Let the sparks fly!
There's somebody who needs a bullet. Heads up, hostiles!
The mission area is yours to capture now.
You proved yourself, Charlotte. This
Capture the mission area!
Supreme lives once more.
It's okay. Admit it. You need me. I like the cool.
Pierce this life. Endless battle.
The mystic arts won't fail me again.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. I suck.
I am straight. Castle went down frightening. The Sorcerer Supreme returns.
They've almost got it!
Ionic! Good medicine.
Toya, shiver!
Ionic magic! Face oblivion! Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Ready to bust some sweet moves on the battlefield? I could teach you the choreo.
Nah, I'm good. I prefer driving to reggaeton over stepping with some K-pop princess.
I love all genres of music. You'll have to show me some of your favorite hits.
Okay, mommy. But I think you'll
The
get
battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Chop, chop. I didn't bring all these bullets so we could play cricket.
Strange conjured up a fancy portal.
Good medicine. By the eye of Agamotto! By the fangs of Ferrara, that
The mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area!
In your face!
Double kill!
the Sorcerer Supreme lives once more. Front of us. Good medicine. By the eye of Agamotto, I can tell beyond sight.
Look up behind you. Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
An unseen assist. The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
They've almost got it!
Here they come!
I am strengthened for battle.
It's the grand finale!
I'm opening a portal.
Going to overtime!
Power the onslaught by the Eye of Agamotto!
Double KO!
Ion.
Well, you can't expect to win them all.